So I got these map pins, and this are size 0.30 centimeters, and they come in this pack. They're over 300 in this pack. They come in different colors, but I got the red one. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So I have a map right here. So I love using it to identify areas on my map, and you can use this in the school, you can use this in the house, you can use this to old photos. So you can see how I can easily just go here, put it on Birmingham, Alabama, and it sticks really well. I can stick it on Mississippi right over here in this lake, and you can see how well it holds. So this is really good because if you want to put string to show the length and stuff, you can show the distance with it. So this is an absolutely great material to have, especially like if you're teaching or even at home. You can use it to hold pictures. It works really good.